Okay, this video is for Miriam, but I'm making it for everybody because this is awesome and it's something I use pretty much every season when I feel colds coming on. It's called DRAGONSLAYER tea. I'm not making it right now. I just want to hop on real quick and explain. It's an infusion. You use a quart-sized mason jar. You put in the juice of a whole lemon, few tablespoons to a quarter cup apple cider vinegar, raw apple cider vinegar. Crush like 5 to 10 cloves of fresh garlic. Let that sit for 10 minutes. Put it in the jar. Chop up like a knob of ginger, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Put boiling hot water over that. Shake it up really good. Let it sit for 15 minutes, half an hour, and then start drinking it. And it's gonna light you up, but it's gonna be a kick in the pants to whatever pathogen, bug, virus, bacteria is trying to hit you down. And then I keep everything in the jar so that it just continues to infuse as I drink it. I do that once or twice a day until I'm feeling better. Dragon Slayer.